Venky Tech Solutions by Real-Time Expert.
Hello guys, welcome back to Venky Tech Solutions. This is Venky. In this video, we are going to learn about types of SQL statements. Types of SQL statements. SQL statements or commands both are same. SQL commands are categorized into 5 sections according to their functions. That means how those commands will work in SQL. Based on that, Oracle is segregated into 5 sections. Data definition language, data manipulation language, data control language, transaction control language, data query language or retrieval language. So we used to call a simple like DDL, DML, DCL, TCL, DQL or DVRL. So we will learn one by one. First in this video we will learn about DDL. DDL commands. DDL statements or commands are used to define objects or database object structures or schemas. Objects is nothing but tables, procedures. These are the different concepts in SQL. So to create, define is nothing but to create any object like table, procedures, and to change their structures or schemas. For that we used to use these DDL commands. Schema about that schema I will do one more video how to create a user or schema. So you can see that video and learn about what is schema or else what is user, how to create that one, how we have to manage with that user or schema. So these are the DDL commands: create, alter, drop, truncate, rename. How these commands will work: create is used to create new database object or table. Alter is used to modify the structure of the table. Drop is used to delete the database or table. Truncate is used to remove all tables records including allocated table space. Rename is used to rename the database or table. So we will learn in depth one by one. So first we will learn in this video create. How this create will work in SQL or else Oracle. First create we will learn. This command is used to create database objects like tables, views, procedures, index, sequence, etc. So create is used to create any database object. So I already explained in my previous video. Oracle is developed based on the some set of rules. Those rules is called as a syntax. So if you want to create any database object, table, view, procedure, anything, so there will be a particular syntax or else rules will be there for every object. You have to must remember those things. So to create a table, this is the syntax. Create, this is the command. Table is a keyword. Table name, this is the object name. So for this I already shown you in my previous video how to declare the data types. So column 1 data type size, column 2 data type size. Like that we can create n number of columns based on our requirement. This is the syntax for to create the table. So you must remember these things. If you are declaring multiple columns, those columns should be comma separated. You have to declare like comma separated. So we will see in practically how we have to create a table. Now I am connecting to my own schema which I created for me. If you want to like create your own schema, I will do one more video how to create the schema. You can watch that video and create the same. Create table student. I'm creating the two. Student is a table name, create is a command, table is a keyword. Student ID. Student ID I am taking. It is ID is a number data type, so I am declaring the number data type. Then comma separated we have to declare the columns. Then name is varchar2 data type. So I have taken the So I mean character data type, that is the reason I have taken the varchar2 20 and comma marks. Marks is number data type, so I have taken the number data type numeric data. That is the reason I have taken the number data type. So closed main parenthesis, this is the main parenthesis, then colon, like table is created. If you want to description of your table, desk table name. Table name is student. Student I have created. This is the way to create the table. We learned how to create a table, right? This is the example. You can practice yourself which columns you have to create like that. So another way to create a table, that is create table by using the select statement. So we can create table by using existing table. So existing table means which is created already in the database, or we can call like it is copy of existing table by using a select statement. So you can copy a table by using existing table, or you can create a table by using the existing table. So syntax for that: create table, new table name, yas. Yas is means same in English. So yas, select column 1, column 2 and so on, column number column, then where condition, then colon. So here select is a another command. I will explain you while I am explaining the select command. Where is a condition? This one I will explain you another video when I will explain the where condition. You just remember the syntax how to create a new table by using select statement. Now we will see in practically. Here create table student, just I am taking as a another table student copy, then yes select star from student. So select star from student means whole columns it will copy. Star indicates that all columns of the table. If you want to take limited columns, that means whatever columns if you required, so by the time you have to declare those column names. You can see table is created. You can see description of student underscore copy. See table is created with the same columns which is having the student table. You can see same columns. Okay, for example you need it only two columns. By that time you can enter like create table copy 1, yes select I need it only student id and name. I don't need remaining marks column from student. So by the time you have to declare which columns you need it with comma separated. See table is created. You can see description of student underscore copy 1. See two columns only created. So if you need it whole columns, here mentioned star indicates all columns. If you need particular columns, you have to declare particular columns. See now how to create the table by using select statements we learn, right? Next, this is the examples which I already explained. So if you need it column names, enter columns, or else star indicates all columns. So here same syntax, create table, another new column like a new table name, yes select student from table, where condition, where 1 equal to, where condition I will explain you about the where condition in another video, just you can remember. We will discuss there. We can use where condition as well, like this. You just remember this. We will learn these things in another video. So if you are watching my video on first time, please like and subscribe to my channel. So if you have any doubts, please ping on my WhatsApp. I will certainly reply on that. Then thanks for the watching this video. We will learn remaining commands like alter, drop, truncate, rename in another video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.